What if I told you you could have anything that you ever imagined? Would you believe me? What if I told you that today was your last day on earth? How would you feel? Would you go after every goal that you ever wanted? Would you chase every dream that you ever wanted? Would you finish every goal that you ever had? I think you would. So why don't we start living life like it's our last day? Because guess what? You aren't guaranteed tomorrow. I don't know why we live every single day so complacent, just waiting on our death day, or waiting on something to happen to change our lives around so that we can hurry up and put into motion our goals and actions. Why don't we be active instead of reactive? You always react to everything. You allow others to control your emotions. Somebody screaming and yelling at you, what do? You scream and yell back. You let them control your emotion. You don't even control yourself. But we want success, right? You see, it's so crazy to me because most of us, we're all gonna die. Not even most, everybody's going to die. But we live life like we're just immortal beings, like we're just here and we have nothing to prove. We just live and we go. You okay with having an average life? Or do you want to build a legacy for yourself, for your family, for your kids, for their kids? You don't want to be great? You don't got that fire burning inside of you telling you every day, get up and do what you got to do to be successful? And like I said, and like I always say, success is what you make it. What do you want out of your success? Ask yourself that. That should be a very important question for you. What does your version of success look like? You should be thinking about this every day. And if you don't have a version right now, make one. If you don't know what success looks like, if you just want money, then say that. Because that's your version of success. If you want to be somebody who creates a difference in this world, you want to be somebody who created the most different invention ever, you can do it. And guess why? Because you are here for a purpose. You aren't here to prove other people right. You aren't here to get approval from other people and seek validation from their opinions. Everybody has their own opinion. Are you going to listen to theirs or are you going to listen to yours? You want to be great, right? Well, this is what it takes. It's going to take discipline. It's not going to be easy. But like I always say, it is what you make it. So if you make it hard for yourself, it's going to be hard on you. And if you want to make it easy for yourself, you can. But guess what? You got to cooperate with yourself. Cooperate with the process. Fall in love with the process. You want to be successful? Fall in love with it. This is what I preach. Now you want to be so great, right? But you don't ever want to work a 16-hour day. You don't want to stay up 2 days in a row. Nah, you want to go to sleep. You want to watch that new show on Netflix. You see, we all want to live our life for enjoyment. Instead of you right now living to work, why don't you work to live? Why don't you work to live? Create your life that you want in the future right now. Start manifesting that for yourself. You want to live a beautiful life in your future? Start creating that for yourself right now. Start working hard right now. Instead of partying on the weekends, drinking and smoking, why don't you sit around and go ahead and create a legacy for yourself in the future? Create something that your name can be remembered for. Or do you want to be average? Because if you want to be average, it's okay. You can be average. See, this is what I had to understand too. I can't go around trying to preach this to everybody because not everybody will be successful. Some people are meant to be average. Because when you have a CEO company, you have the leaders and you have the workers. You have the people who work to keep the company thriving, and you have the people who create ideas for the company. Which one do you want to be? Do you want to be the person creating ideas, or do you want to be the person working to improve these ideas and put them into a reality for someone else? I want to be the person creating these ideas, making them of some use to other people in my world that I live in. The world is yours. The world is mine. I mean, you choose to do with it what you want. With that being said, I love you guys. I thank you for your time. Peace.